Enjoy the rich, creamy goodness of this pumpkin whipped feta dip, a perfect blend of savory feta cheese and sweet pumpkin puree. I like to use the block feta to make this instead of the crumbled feta for some added creaminess, and then add a little bit of Greek yogurt and then the pure pumpkin puree, making sure to not use the pumpkin pie filling. On top of that, add your ground cinnamon, nutmeg, and salt, and then maple syrup for a little bit of sweetness. Secure the lid to the food processor, and then start blending the pumpkin whipped feta dip. Make sure to use a rubber spatula to scrape down the sides of the food processor to make sure all the ingredients get blended. Place the lid back on the food processor and blend until you get a very nice smooth and airy texture. Transfer the dip to a serving bowl, smoothing out the top, and then cover and refrigerate for 30 minutes to help it set. Garnish with chopped pecans, feta cheese, and chopped parsley, and you're ready to serve with some crostini, chopped apples, or your favorite flatbreads. Make sure to find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com.